Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Tezos. To be honest, wanted to make this video yesterday, but I just, I don't know, it was already too late, I think. It was not too late to make the video, but it was too late for me to still make some new videos. Wanted to cover it today because Tezos has obviously had some major news. We'll briefly discuss that. We'll briefly discuss the magnitude of that news. And then we'll talk about whether we can actually get higher than where we've been. I mean, yesterday after the news, we spiked quite nicely. But it actually took some time before we were actually able to get this major bullish breakout above 1.35. So I wanted to talk about whether we can actually continue the bullish momentum, seeing that the bullish momentum that came yesterday was also fairly late. So let's get right into it. So as most of you know, the big news behind Tezos is that I think Google Cloud, if I remember correctly, yeah, Google Cloud they are working together to accelerate Web3 application development on the Tezos blockchain. Find out more about the collaboration. I think, and I'm not too sure about this, I think they're also a validator on the Tezos blockchain right now. It's to me this coordination and this partnership seems almost the same as Solana and Google Cloud, who also partnered up back in at the beginning of November last year, I believe. So it's great news for crypto altogether, great news for Tezos as well. I mean, Tezos has been, and I don't mean this with any bad intentions or anything, but Tezos at the very least has not been doing well, right? Last 3 months, you can actually see that we have not gone up we have gone up, but not as much as other cryptos. And last year, I mean, Tezos has just suffered quite a bit throughout the bear market. A lot of cryptos are actually right now at the levels we were at the beginning of May last year, for example. And Tezos is not near those levels, not near $2, not near 1.75. So yeah, it's pretty near 1.75, but there's still a lot of resistance ahead of it. So yeah, it's great. It's great for Tezos that we can finally do this. And apart from that, Tezos is also an amazing project, and they have already had some other major partnerships as well. So who knows what can happen? Right now, purely if we take a look at the technicals, unfortunately, we hit a major resistance level at around 1.5. And more specifically, the level around it. So 1.55, 1.45. And what you can see on the daily is that 1.5 is really the strongest level within that, but it's also really a major key level. Like 1.45 and 1.55 are also valid and very reliable resistance levels. So as you might expect, we found resistance there. So now we're dropping down. You can see that we're finding some support at the 382 fib right here. I don't think that's going to last. I think we'll drop down to this level right here around 1.35. Now there it gets interesting. Because I'd say that the market right now actually has a little bit more bullish momentum than bearish momentum. And I think in combination with that momentum and the news that Tezos has just gotten, I think we can actually continue this momentum. The one thing we just have to do is we have to find support at 1.35, which I expect. All right, if 1.35 breaks, we're dropping down to 1.28, and it's not happening. All right, but I think we will be able to hold this and kind of consolidate between 1.45 and 1.35. And then what we would need to do, I would say within a week, is break above 1.47. I think that's enough of a threshold to actually know that we have that momentum. If we break above 1.47, I think we'll get up to 1.55, take a break retest, and actually have a pretty big chance of getting up towards 1.65. This is the main thing I want to see. I'm not sure if it's the most likely scenario. It's really going to depend on how Bitcoin and the market is doing. I think initially what we'll just do is drop down and consolidate down here, and then I'll keep you updated. If Bitcoin is able to get up towards 26,000, I think Tezos is able to do something like that. But it's just going to depend on First of all, if we can hold 1.35, and then second of all, if we can keep this bullish momentum in the market. So I'll keep you updated on that, of course, but for now, this is my take on Tezos and XTC. So take care and bye.